Pakilinis. What are you waiting for? What the hell are you doing?
Sorry po, boss.
How dare you wear my favorite stiletto? Ang sabi ko, linisan mo to. Hindi ko sinabing lalo mong dumihan.
Boss, sir? Oh my God! Sorry po, boss. Akala ko nakauwi na kayo.
Wait, who is he?
Si Jojo po. Bagong maintenance natin.
When will you ever learn charm?
Mom, the work.
You are fired.
Ganda!